This is question number 4 of my year 10 examination. It says a ladder resting on a vertical wall makes an angle whose tangent is 2.4 with the ground. If the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 50 centimeter, what is the length of the ladder? Let's draw the diagram for this. Okay, it says, remember, the horizontal ground and the vertical wall, they are perpendicular to each other, right? So there's a 90 degrees. So if there's a ladder resting on this wall, are we together? So, and it creates an angle theta. We are told that the distance between the ladder and the foot of the wall is 50 centimeter, right? We should calculate the length of the ladder, x. So to solve this particular question first, we are told that the tangent of this tan theta is equals to 2.4. And if you recall, tan theta is equals to opposite over adjacent. And the one opposite the angle is the height of this wall at the moment. Okay, let's call that h. So opposite over adjacent. So that means h over 50 will be equals to 2.4. Making h the subject of the formula, I'll have that h will be equals to 50 times 2.4. And 50 times 2.4, that should give me 120 centimeter. So I have that the height of this wall is 120 centimeter, right? And if you notice, what they said we should look for is the length of the ladder. And take a look at this. This is a right angle triangle, right? We know the adjacent, we know the opposite. We just need to get the height of the ladder, which is the hypotenuse. And what does Pythagoras theory say is that in a right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle, right? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So let's just apply Pythagoras to solve this particular question. So that means, from Pythagoras, it means that x squared will be equals to h squared, which is 120 squared, plus the adjacent squared, which is 50 squared, right? So what would that give us? So this will give me x squared is equals to the square of 120. That will give us 14400, right? Okay, the square of 50 will give me 2500. I just need to add that together, right? So x squared will give me 16900. So let's get the square root of both sides to get the value of x, which is the length of the ladder. So x will be equals to the square root of 16900. So therefore, the value of x will be equals to 130 centimeter. So for this particular question, the length of the ladder is equals to 130 centimeter. Let's go over to question number 5.